it's me Charice. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will provide an in-depth explanation on how students can interpret the piece Virginia Hall by Shruthi Rajasekar, which was composed in the 20th century. I will share my suggestions on how to interpret the piece. Let's begin. What I see here, Virginia Hall was a celebrated spy for the Allied forces. Begin with very light touch in your right hand. Imagine your right hand is the second melody, or you may think of an accompaniment. Try to look for the main melody, which is in your left hand. That's your singing line. And your right hand must be softer. Growing and coming back down. And the melody coming in. So that's a good hint. Crescendo. It shows you that, oh, your melody line is in your left hand. And you can hear my left hand louder than my right hand. Smashing down, and this will help with the grand sound. Hit down. As you can hear, I made a mistake. There is still a rest on the third beat. So how you can play it? Make sure you count 1, 2. In your left hand, we will play gradually getting louder on F, F, G towards the accents in the next bar. Smashing technique. And here, tenuto, you can bring a little bit of sound. Bar 17, bar 18, and getting softer. Make sure here there is this rest. How would you count correctly is by your breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. If with breathing, and the breathing helps with the soft sound. Or you may use the watermelon method. Watermelon,